Okay, forward Tibbie key. Shove it into the lock. Now I'm going to find my tension bars, so to speak. Turn all these clockwise, and the only two which are sticking out are number 2 and number 6, so they become my tension wrenches, for want of a better word. Now it's a case of turn these discs individually and hopefully get them into the right sequence, which will enable me to open the lock. Now, as you can see here, as quick as I turn one, it moves another one. I'm trying to keep my fingers out of the way so you can physically see the lock. There's nothing. That felt good. That's nice and loose, as Bill told me to look for the loose ones. That might be it. So now I'm going to play with this one. Has that done it? That's what I need to know. That fell in nice. That's fell in nice. That feels nice there. That feels, I think, I've got to be somewhere close. I can feel them popping. And there we go. We've finally done it. So it was a lot easier, taking on board what Bill told me about finding each individual disc, making sure that it's free to move. It's only literally millimetres, but there is a movement there, and as you can see, that is it open. Thank you.